Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, I am starting to detest this guy Reno Omokri minute by minute. This guy seems to have an opinion on virtually anything and virtually anybody. Guys, is at it again as I bring you this. You are a house rat. Reno Omokri slams Obi Ezekwesili over Wike. So here is now Reno Omokri piping in and chiming in yet again in a spat between Obi Ezekwesili and Yemson Wike. So again, the headline: you are a house rat. Reno Omokri slams Obi Ezekwesili over Wike. So now let's now see what the basket mouth has to say this time around. It had been reported that Ezekwesili, whilst condemning the action, said power in the hands of people without self-discipline creates monsters. So I shall be doing a separate video on Obi Ezekwesili's comment. Reacting, Omokri, in a tweet via his Twitter account on Monday, said the former minister was a hypocrite who only speaks up when it is convenient for her. He said, Obi Ezekwesili, who is forever the hypocrite, is now attacking Governor Wike for demolishing houses in Rivers State. How come she was quiet when El Rufai demolished houses of political opponents in Kaduna State? Is it because El Rufai's family have her history of begging? She is an APC agent who is being used to sabotage the opposition. Yinka Ayefele's radio station was destroyed. She was mute. El Rufai destroyed homes of political opponents. She was quiet, but she attacks Wike. She is the house rat that tells the bush rat where to go. A saboteur. El Rufai, whose son insulted her as a beggar with receipts, demolished homes of his multiple opponents, including a serving senator, but beggar Obi said nothing. He added, recall that Wike on Sunday demolished Prodest Hotel in Olode and Etimate Hotel in Ono in Eleme local government area of the state. The hotels were demolished after they violated an executive order on C-19. So now there's two elements to, in fact, there are three elements to this. One, this Governor Wike running riots, power drunk, and this I am the constituted authority, that mindset that all these governors have, just going around destroying. Just imagine if you were the owner of one of those hotels. You have labored and sweated, irrespective of how you got your money, built that thing from foundation up, and then started your business, only for some so-called governor laboring. Only for some so-called governor laboring under the misapprehension that is still some teenage raspulian, some teenage rascal, going round power drunk, demolishing and destroying all that you've worked hard for. So that's one aspect. The other aspect is this Reno Omokri, who has an opinion on everything and anything. I am not quite sure what this is that this guy is doing, that he'll just chime in with any and everything. Because if Obi Ezekwesili is saying this is an abuse of power, then she's quite within rights to say that one as a citizen of a country where we purport to have free speech. She's not gone beyond the line to make this comment, because this comment that she has made, that this guy is power drunk, is quite apt to the situation that she's addressing. So there's nothing untoward in what Madam Obi said. So now for this guy now to now chime in, and this guy, he's made a mistake, by the way, this Reno Omokri character, because Madam Obi is a well-loved woman within the Nigerian space, and if he thinks that he's poking or prodding at her, then the backlash will really weigh in his direction, not hers. Because one, what she said is not out of place, and two, she's a well-respected person within the Nigerian space. But this guy Reno Omokri is who I wanted to flash up, especially with him now attacking Madam Obi, and I wanted to bring that to you guys for your consideration. So whatever your considerations are, come share them with me in the comment section.